rubbing alcohol, water, and 2 cotton rounds. I'm going to put some of the rubbing alcohol on the cotton swab, cotton round, rub it, wait 10 seconds. Now I'm going to take the water, put some on my other arm. Okay, so I would say this one felt dry and almost like a very cooling sensation, kind of like if you were to put icy hot on your skin or something. This one still wet even now, not as cool. This one still has a cooling effect. This one can't even feel it anymore. I think the liquids felt different on my skin because of how the dermis and the epidermis react to the different ingredients in the alcohol versus just the water. So now I have paper, it's an envelope, but paper, pen, pencil, and tape. I'm going to draw some of this on the paper. I'm gonna pre-cut my tape and rub it. I'm going to take my piece of tape, place my finger on it, make sure it picks up and transfers. I'm gonna lay the piece of tape down and label it. I'll do my knuckle, this knuckle. I'm gonna rub it, get a piece of tape, put it on, make sure it picks up the fingerprint. And place it down and label it. I'm gonna do right here. Rub it in the lead. Oh, I already had a piece, I forgot. Put the tape down. Make sure it transfers. Lay it down. And label it. Okay, so these are the 3 fingerprints here. The skin prints on different areas of my body, the prints are different because the dermis it's a different part of your dermis all throughout your body. There's no same dermis layer. I think the one with the most interesting was my fingerprint, just because you can see more lines. Let's see if it'll focus. You can see more lines in my fingerprint than any other part that I did. I have my ruler, toothpicks, and a lab partner. Okay. So you have to measure 2 inches, yeah, apart on my arm. Place a toothpick at 0 and a toothpick at 2. So. So you'll put a toothpick at each point and then slowly move them together, and when I say stop, stop. Stop. Okay, now we have to measure that. Half an inch or a quarter.
Half an inch.
Okay, it was half an inch. Now we'll do it. I can do it on my chest or my back. Like right here. Okay.
Hold that one. I'm not trying to stop.
I know. Okay. Stop.
Three-quarter inch.
3/4 inch. Okay. Now we'll do my back. Just do the top of it. You're gonna just right on my back. Yeah, I know. This one's gonna hurt, but I don't know where else to do it. Just make sure the camera can see. Stop. Now what?
3/8.
3/8. Okay. Thank you, lab partner. I think the most sensitive area was my chest. Why? I think this layer of the dermis there's not as much skin here, depth here, than there is on my arm or on my upper back. What was the least sensitive? I would say my arm, and I think for one, because this is all day, every day being used, my arms, and because it has the most skin on it.